In today's video, I am going to teach you how to adjust kerning in Figma. Kerning is the space between individual letters, and fine-tuning it can make your headlines, logos, and UI text feel cleaner, more balanced, and easier to read. We'll keep things straightforward, using two approaches: quick keyboard shortcuts for speed and the design panel for precise control. First, open your design in Figma and navigate to the text you want to refine. Decide whether you are fixing a single awkward pair or setting spacing for a whole word or line. To adjust just two letters, place your text cursor between them. To effect a larger selection, highlight the text instead. Figma applies the change based on whether you've placed the cursor or selected the text. For the fastest workflow, use the keyboard. On a Mac, hold the Option key and tap the right arrow to increase spacing, or the left arrow to decrease it. On Windows, hold Alt and use right arrow to add space or left arrow to tighten it. Tap for subtle nudges or press and hold for larger moves. Watch the shapes as you go. Your goal is even optical spacing, not rigid uniformity. If you need exact values, switch to the design panel. Select your text layer so the settings appear on the right. In the Type section, find the letter spacing control. You can click and drag the icon to scrub the value up or down. Or click into the field and enter a specific number, like -2 to bring letters closer or 5 to spread them out. This is ideal when you need consistent spacing across multiple elements or want to match a design spec precisely. Remember, when the caret is placed between two characters, you are adjusting just that pair. When text is selected, you are adjusting spacing across the selection. Use this flexibility to fix isolated problem areas without disrupting the rhythm of a whole word, or to set a uniform tracking for headings and captions. If something feels off, undo and try a slightly different value, or reset back to a neutral value to start fresh. As a final tip, aim for clarity over style. Over-tightening can make letters collide and blur together, while too much space can create gaps that slow reading. Compare before and after at normal viewing sizes. And keep your adjustments consistent across similar text styles. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.